guys, I'm Candice Kumai. Watashi no namae wa Candice Kumai desu. Yokoso, welcome to Tea Please, an Ito-en show. Today we're going to be talking about my favorite topic, matcha, and how to make the perfect matcha latte. I have two different lattes I'll show you very quickly. One is just a simple cup of matcha at home with the addition of a little bit of your favorite milk. And the second one is going to be a strawberry and cream matcha latte with layers. First, we're going to talk about traditional matcha and what to look for when purchasing. Matcha is a finely milled green tea powder that is full of nutrients like vitamin C, L-theanine, and also antioxidants. I also really believe that the vitamin C in matcha has helped me to stay radiant and cheerful in the morning, and the L-theanine in matcha can help you to stay relaxed. Here are the steps to take to making just a traditional bowl of matcha at home, and then a little touch of milk will change it into that latte. I'm going to do about a teaspoon or two, depending on how strong or how light you like your matcha. If you want to make your matcha a little bit thicker or stronger, you add less water. If you'd like to make it a little bit lighter, then just add a little bit more water. The two other things that you notice that I do have here, this is a chawan bowl and this is a cha sen. Once your water has boiled at 212 degrees Fahrenheit, you want to cool it for 5 minutes to 185, 175 degrees Fahrenheit, adding in a tiny bit of that cooled water, using M&N motions back and forth with the cha sen. You can see the beautiful small oxidizing bubbles pop up. Once you're ready, you can add a little bit more at a time. I'm gonna add a little bit of my favorite milk or creamer or whatever you would like. I'm just gonna add like a touch of this. And sometimes I'm gonna whisk in my favorite nut milk, coconut milk, almond milk, and make sure that really gets incorporated in there. Now I'm gonna make a very fabulous layered strawberry and cream matcha latte. I have organic strawberries full of vitamin C and antioxidants. I've let them thaw slightly and I'm going to give them a blend. First layer we're going to add is strawberry puree. That is for vitamin C, a little bit of color, and remember this is no sugar added. Then we're gonna add a little bit of ice. And you can add milk of any choice of yours. You can froth it, you can pour it over. Just know that it may bleed through, and that's okay. A lot of people pretend like these are fab and perfect all the time. But really, it is of what we call in Japanese culture, wabi-sabi. All right, last layer is gonna be our Matcha Love Organic. Here's the top portion, and you can go ahead and just make it into artwork and it's going to blend together, almost like a tie-dye wabi-sabi design. So this is your strawberries and cream matcha latte. I'm gonna do a little bit of a sip. It looks like summer. I'm gonna give it a twirl. Oh my God, that is so good. If you guys like these recipes, click the link below, subscribe now, and we'll post the recipe for you as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels at Ito-en and Matcha Love, and follow us on Instagram and TikTok. I'm Candice Kumai, and thank you again for joining me on this episode of our new show, Tea Please with Ito-en.
Oi!